So Hamish, what's the hackathon tonight all about?
So it's a hackathon for Birbeck University. It's our talent IT department running it, and it's a chance for people to come and flex their Python muscles.
And you call it a Python Dojo, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so we've got a few problems that we're going to present to them. They're going to split into groups, and then they're going to solve those problems.
Not being quite as hip or cool as you've got a nice beard coming on, by the way.
Yeah, thank you.
You feel you look right for the development community. But what is a Python Dojo?
So it's really somewhere where people get together and code. So it has a sort of data sciencey aspect to it, where we'll get problems and then we'll solve them.
So why do we run it for students at Birkbeck? What are they getting out of it?
Well, the problems that I've put together for this evening are very similar to ones that I've seen in technical tests for companies looking for Python developers. So this will give them a chance to collaborate and also get some experience within the interview process.
So it's getting them kind of battle ready?
Yes, exactly.
What is the demand for Python like right now?
Very high. Almost very difficult to get on the ladder. I think graduate developers are very hard to get into, but as soon as you have that 1 year's experience, you're sort of looking at quite high salaries, looking at 45 upwards.
Anna, so you run Talent IT here. Why are you working with Birkbeck on hackathons?
So working with Birkbeck tonight, all of them are career shifters. They all have day jobs. One was a science teacher, one was working as a product owner, one was working in retail. And this is exactly what Talent IT is. It's getting people into software development and bridging that skills gap. So finding people who are passionate about it and are not in it at the moment is exactly what we're looking for.
How can Talent IT help them beyond tonight? So if they're coming in and they're doing a hackathon with Hamish, what are the next steps after that?
So they're all doing evening courses at Birkbeck at the moment within software development. Talent IT is the next step on from that. They will then become Talent IT consultants. We'll train them for their first month, but keep them as a consultant of ours for the first year whilst they're working on client side. So it's a really, really nice bridge into software development and a world that they probably thought they wouldn't be able to get into initially.
And from a client point of view, what are those clients looking for?
Clients sometimes think they're looking for a computer science graduate from Cambridge University. Realistically, a computer science graduate from Cambridge University doesn't want to join a client, they want to build their own startup. These people are passionate about software development, they want that opportunity to go and join a company, so they're going to get the right attitude, the right aptitude, a real passionate person who's going to stay and be retained for a long time.